Hello children, let's learn some colors name. It's a green color, violet color, pink color, orange color, brown color, sky blue color, purple color, and this is dark blue color. In today's class, we are going to learn alphabets A, B, C, A to Z, 1, 2, 3, 1 to 10 with some 2D shapes. So let's get started. At first, A for apricot. B for butterfly. Next is alphabet C for candle. D for dinosaur. E for eagle. Next is F for father. G for gold. After G, next alphabet is H for house. I for internet. J for jackpot. Next is K for king. L for lemon. Next is M for mother. N for necklace. After N, next alphabet is O for ostrich. P for peacock. Next is alphabet Q for quiz. R for rainbow. After R, next is alphabet S for seat. T for temple. U for unicorn. V for volcano. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for young. And Z for zebra. Now let's trace the numbers. Number 1. Next is number 2. Number 3. It's a number 4. 5. 6. Next is number 7. Number 8. Next number is number 9. And 1, 0, 10. It's time to trace the shapes. First is circle shape, triangle shape. Next one is square, heart shape, pentagon, and next one is star shape. Let's feel the colors. Circle shape with the pink color. Triangle, sky blue color. Square, brown color. Heart shape, red color. Next one is pentagon, dark green color. And star shape with a violet color. Let's revise with me. A, B, C. D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Learn shapes with their colors name. Circle shape, pink color. Next is triangle, sky blue color. Square, brown color. Heart, red color. Pentagon, green color. And star, violet color. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.